Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Design Spark Mechanical. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a bottle opener. And we'll go ahead and open up Design Spark. I'm going to create this in millimeters, so go ahead and change your units to millimeters. So we'll go ahead and go New Design, and then we'll come up here to File. We'll go down to Design Spark Options. We'll navigate to units and we'll make sure that this is in millimeters. So we'll go metric and then we'll click OK. And now we're going to go ahead and change this to top view or plan view down here. We'll minimize. We're going to drag in our JPEG reference for a bottle opener. Going to put a line out here to make sure this is 90. So we'll go ahead and move that over, put in 90, because that's how the size it's supposed to be. And then we'll go ahead and click off of that. We'll click on the actual graphic. We'll hold down the shift key and we'll drag this till it's 90. Gotta go a little bit bigger. Okay, this should be good. So we'll go ahead and put that right in the center there. We're going to get rid of this line that we just drew. We're going to Control plus to zoom in. We're going to get the circle tool. Go from there. We're going to drag out there, and we're going to make that outer circle there is let me see here. It's supposed to be 19.5 times 2, so it's 39. So we'll go ahead and type in 39, enter. And then do the other one down here. This one is 26, 27, so we'll go ahead and punch in 27. Control minus. Let's go ahead and put a line out here from the center. We'll go all the way over to here, so this is going to be 70. Okay. Now we're going to offset this. Control plus, let's pan over. This needs to be 13 millimeters, so we'll go ahead and create offset, and we'll drag that down to 13. Now we're going to click up here and drag this one up to 13. Okay, now we're going to pan over. Go ahead and put an end to this here, endpoint to endpoint. Now we're going to put a radius on this of 12. So we're going to go ahead and create rounded corners. I think we just need to go 6 on that. Then we'll go from here to here. Make sure that's 6. Okay, now we're going to go pan over. Now we got to create a line here. From there, just go straight down. Okay, now we're going to offset this line. Let's click there. It needs to be 8.5. Go ahead and select the click off. Now we're going to go get rid of these, so trim away. I'm going to trim away this stuff. Let's get rid of that line. Okay, let's go. This is these lines radiuses here have to be 1 millimeter. So let's go ahead and get rid of this graphic. Let's get our trim away. Trim away these. Okay, let's go ahead and put a rounded corner in here, 1 millimeter. Let's type 1 and hit enter, and get this one. 1 and hit enter. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and get the rounded corner. I'm going to put a rounded corner here. Let's go 6 millimeters. Do the same down here. Punch in 6, enter. Go ahead and pan over. We're going to put a circle here to put this on your keychain. I guess we could go 4 millimeters with that. Let's go ahead and get rid of that line. Don't need it. Let's move that over a little bit. Select it, hit move. Right about there. Okay, Control minus. Let's go ahead and pull. Let's see how thick this is. Let's go ahead and get our pull dimensions there. This is 1.5 millimeters thick. So we'll go back to Design Sparks, and then we'll select, go to pull this, type in 1.5. Okay, now we're going to go get rid of that. And we're going to get rid of that keychain there. Delete. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get our pull tool. Let's select everything. Click till everything's selected. Let's Control plus. Let's put a 0.3 fillet on there. All right, let's spin this around. Do the same on the back side. 0.3. Okay. And now we're going to go to the top. We're going to put pull, and we're going to put a fillet right there. 0.3. Then we'll spin this around to the back. Get the pull tool, click on that, type in 0.3. All right, that's going to be our bottle opener. Go to the top view. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks again for watching.